People are already burning some of the calories after their Thanksgiving feast. Shoppers are racing from store to store looking for those Black Friday deals. But many shoppers waited in line at the same store for hours today, hoping to get that once-a-year deal on some big ticket items. 7 Action News reporter Gino Vici is live at Best Buy in Southfield with more on what hundreds of people waited in line for today. Hey, Gino.
Hundreds of people, and in the cold. They braved the cold for 12 hours. What they were there to buy, or here to buy, big screen TVs. This was the big ticket item this year for Black Friday, but no matter where you looked at this store, there were big savings.
We've been waiting since about 4:30 this morning. Want to get a TV.
Larry Johnson had one goal in mind this Thanksgiving: hurry up and wait in line here at Best Buy in Southfield for a big screen TV.
And you get it, just about half price.
Johnson, along with a few others, was one of the first in line here at Best Buy for this, a 50-inch TV for only $179. Mike Robinson was the very first in line, but he's not here for himself. He waited in line for more than 12 hours for his daughter.
Families first.
Inside the store, Elena Pfeiffer says she wasn't willing to wait in line in the cold. She's done that many times, but not this year.
$300 off or $350 off cell phones is always a great deal.
Some of the top spots for Black Friday shopping tonight, of course, Best Buy opening at 5 p.m., closes at 1 a.m. tonight. Kohl's stores also opening at 5 p.m. They close at 12:01 a.m. on Monday. And Toys R Us also opening at 5 p.m. They close at 11 p.m. tomorrow night. But again, the big ticket item this year for Black Friday, 50-inch LED TV, smart TV for only $179. Just to give you an idea of what kind of deal that was, look at this one right here. This is a little screen TV right here, 19-inch. This one is going for $89. So for double that, you get almost triple the size. And again, smartphones, another big item here on Black Friday. And it's going to be open tonight until 1 a.m. if you want to come down to Best Buy in Southfield. Live in Southfield, Gino Vici, 7 Action News.